If North Texas had a soundtrack for this week, this would be a sample. We all heard it differently.
This is a lot of wind. Strong, strong wind.
First the storm Sunday, then the snow.
So it's very cold. You know, we don't get this very often in Texas.
This I like the sound.
I like crunchy things.
But silence is the absence of sound, and too many heard that.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't hear power for like maybe 3 days.
It grounds you when you don't have it, and it makes you appreciate it more when you do.
For so many, no power, no water.
A lot of something melted.
And then, too much water. Frozen pipes bursting. Wednesday, Thursday.
If it is a pipe, that's not a beautiful sound at all.
Apartment is flooded, their stuff is ruined.
By the end of the week, relief.
It's the sound of hope, honestly.
It sounds like power.
By Friday,
To me, it's like, it's a soothing sound.
Hearing it melt, it's kind of like, okay, it's like a sigh of relief.
North Texas thaws. The sounds we can recognize.
I'm ready to hear the sounds of cars and things moving again.
In North Texas, I'm Jobin Paniker.